People are very rarely buying the thing, the knowledge, the skill that we're teaching them. Actually, the skill, the topic that we're teaching them is just a vehicle. It's a little car that's driving them to a result that it's going to get them in their life. It's the result that the stuff you're teaching gets them that they're buying. They do not care really about what we're teaching. They care about the result that them knowing that is going to give them. So let me use myself as an example here. How many of you join Concept to Course because you've been laying in bed at night going, oh my God, I so wish that I was an expert in curriculum design. Oh, I wish I understood curriculum design. How many of you have ever even thought that in your life? And yet here you are, having paid hundreds of dollars to come on Concept to Course. None of you, very, very few of you, there may be a couple of you that are curriculum developers, but absolutely, I'd guarantee that 99.9% of you on this program couldn't give the tiniest little rat poo about curriculum design. The reason why you're on Concept to Course is because you're probably been thinking things like, I just wish this business was profitable. I wish it was making me more money. I wish I was changing people's lives. I wish I was actually helping people and making a difference. I want my life to mean something. I wish I had credibility and respect in my industry. I wish I had the lifestyle and the wealth that I'm dreaming of. Why can't my life be like that? Seriously, this is what we do wrong when it comes to selling our thing, and we need to be thinking about this right now. What is it we're going to create? Are we creating that workshop? Are we creating that coaching program? Are we creating that membership? Right? We got to start thinking about, well, cool, now I think I know what type of thing I'm going to create. What am I actually selling? Because it's actually usually not what we're teaching. And this is where the sales, what we're going to call it, how we're going to dress it up, is the difference between making loads and loads of unlimited money and making absolutely no sales whatsoever. Let me talk about my example. You're all on a course right now on how to create a course. So I could have called this program, I'm teaching course creation. I'm actually teaching you curriculum design. I'm teaching you instructional design. I'm teaching you the operational procedures of creating an education program. But none of you lay at bed at night going, I wish I knew how to create an educational program using correct and proper curriculum design that meets the current trends of consumer buying. Right? Have any of you ever thought that? Of course not. That's what I'm teaching. Actually, none of you give a shit. What you are thinking about is, I want more money. I really wish that my knowledge was making a real impact. I want to be respected as an expert. I'd love to have some passive income. I'd love to have some financial freedom. I want that particular lifestyle that I'm personally thinking about. Time's ticking. So I need to stop doing time for money swaps labor. I actually need to start building something scalable. I need to plan for my retirement. Maybe for some of you that's here already. I need to plan for this. I can't keep working. I'm getting older. I just don't want to keep living this life of hustle anymore. That's what you're thinking, right? Am I in your brain or am I in your brain? I know because I'm also a course creator, because these are the things that I think. I know because I've been working with course creators my whole life. I know that this is what they're secretly thinking about. Never once have any of them come to me and said, I'd like to improve my curriculum design skills, Sarah. Of course they don't. This is what they want. But the mistake too many of us make is we sell this. We sell what we're teaching rather than selling the result that they're getting. People only buy the results. So our reframing that we need to do now as we're choosing our thing, and this is today's major outcome, is meh, right? We don't want to say, I teach you in my course how to design and structure an online course, right? Meh. Some of you may have been, oh yeah, that's actually what I want to do. But meh, I would have had pretty meh sales from that.